Certainly, I'd be delighted to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the captivating world of unique wooden pallet furniture and decor ideas. This innovative and sustainable niche of the home design industry has captured the imagination of creatives, DIY enthusiasts, and eco-conscious consumers alike, transforming the humble wooden pallet into a canvas for remarkable transformations. At the heart of this captivating realm lies the inherent versatility and resourcefulness of the wooden pallet. Long relegated to the utilitarian world of logistics and shipping, these sturdy, standardized wooden structures have, in recent years, found a second life as a cherished medium for home furnishings and decorative accents. The very qualities that made pallets indispensable in the world of commerce, their robust construction, modular design, and widespread availability, have now become the driving forces behind their rise as a go-to material for innovative and sustainably minded designers and DIY enthusiasts. Driven by a growing awareness of the environmental impact of traditional furniture and decor production, as well as a desire to embrace the unique character and story inherent in repurposed materials, the pallet furniture and decor movement has gained tremendous momentum in recent years. Designers and DIY creators have recognized the untapped potential of these unassuming wooden structures, and have been exploring increasingly imaginative ways to transform them into striking, one-of-a-kind pieces that seamlessly blend form, function, and environmental consciousness. One of the most captivating aspects of unique wooden pallet furniture and decor is the sheer diversity of design approaches. Some creators opt for a minimalist, pared-down aesthetic, allowing the inherent beauty and weathered character of the pallet wood to take center stage. These pieces might feature clean, geometric shapes, smooth-sanded surfaces, and a deliberate absence of embellishment, resulting in a timeless, rustic chic look that effortlessly complements a wide range of interior styles. In contrast, other designers and DIY enthusiasts revel in the opportunity to showcase their creativity and craftsmanship, transforming pallet wood into remarkably intricate and visually striking pieces. These meticulously handcrafted creations might feature intricate carvings, delicate filigree, or even kinetic elements that transform the pallet furniture or decor into a mesmerizing, interactive work of art. The attention to detail and the level of skill required to execute such extraordinary transformations is truly awe-inspiring, and a testament to the boundless ingenuity of these talented artisans. But the innovation in this field extends far beyond mere aesthetics. Designers are also constantly exploring new ways to enhance the functionality and durability of pallet-based furniture and decor, without compromising their distinctive charm. This might involve the strategic integration of reinforcing elements, the incorporation of specialized hardware, or the development of innovative modular designs that allow for easy assembly, disassembly, and customization. Moreover, the inherent sustainability of pallet-based creations has become a driving force behind their growing popularity. By repurposing these discarded wooden structures, designers and DIY enthusiasts are not only reducing waste and minimizing their environmental footprint but also elevating the narrative and cultural significance of their creations. These pieces often serve as tangible expressions of the circular economy, challenging traditional notions of consumption and encouraging a more conscious, mindful approach to home design. As we look to the future, the potential for continued innovation and artistic exploration in the realm of unique wooden pallet furniture and decor remains vast and enthralling. With the ongoing advancements in woodworking techniques, the incorporation of cutting-edge design principles, and the ever-evolving aesthetic sensibilities of both creators and consumers, the possibilities for this captivating niche of the home design industry are truly limitless. Whether it's a sleek, modern coffee table crafted from reclaimed pallet wood, a whimsical pallet-based light fixture that casts mesmerizing patterns of light and shadow, or a transformative pallet-inspired room divider that seamlessly integrates storage and functional elements, the world of unique wooden pallet furniture and decor is a testament to the enduring power of repurposed materials, the boundless creativity of designers, and the timeless allure of handcrafted artistry. One of the most captivating aspects of pallet-based furniture is the sheer diversity of applications and design approaches. From the living room to the bedroom, the home office to the outdoor patio, pallet wood can be seamlessly integrated into a wide range of furniture pieces, each one offering its own distinct character and functionality. Take, for instance, the humble pallet coffee table. In the hands of a skilled designer, this everyday object can be elevated into a striking, one-of-a-kind centerpiece for the living room. Some might opt for a minimalist, low-profile design that allows the natural beauty of the weathered wood to take center stage, while others might incorporate intricate hand-carved motifs or playful geometric patterns to imbue the piece with a sense of dynamism and visual interest. But the versatility of pallet wood extends far beyond just coffee tables. Innovative designers have also crafted stunning pallet-based dining tables, benches, and even bed frames, each one showcasing the remarkable adaptability of this repurposed material. Imagine a grand, rustic chic dining table, its surface crafted from the reclaimed planks of several weathered pallets, complemented by sleek metal legs that lend an air of industrial-inspired elegance. Or envision a serene, minimalist bed frame, its headboard and footboard fashioned from the clean, sanded lines of pallet wood, creating a soothing, nature-inspired sanctuary for rest and relaxation. And the ingenuity doesn't stop at large-scale furniture pieces. Pallet wood has also become a beloved medium for a wide range of decor accents and smaller home furnishings, from striking wall art and shelving units to charming indoor planters and playful outdoor swings. The beauty of these pallet-based creations lies in their ability to seamlessly blend form and function, transforming the utilitarian into the extraordinary. One particularly captivating trend in the world of pallet decor is the emergence of modular and multifunctional pieces. Designers have recognized the inherent modularity of pallet wood, and have begun to explore innovative ways to create furnishings and accents that can be easily customized, rearranged, or even transformed to suit the evolving needs and preferences of the homeowner. Imagine, for instance, a pallet-based room divider that can be easily reconfigured to serve as a bookshelf, a space-saving storage unit, or even a decorative screen, depending on the needs of the space. Or envision a pallet wood desk that seamlessly integrates hidden storage compartments, cable management systems, and even charging stations, making it a truly versatile and functional addition to the home office. The beauty of these modular, multifunctional pallet-based creations lies in their ability to adapt to the ever-changing needs of the modern home, while still maintaining a strong connection to the natural warmth and rustic charm of the repurposed wood. But the innovation in this field extends far beyond just the functional aspects of pallet-based furniture and decor. Designers and DIY enthusiasts are also pushing the boundaries of what's possible in terms of artistic expression, incorporating techniques like intricate wood carving, pyrography, wood burning, and even the strategic integration of other materials like metal, glass, and textiles. The result is a breathtaking array of palette-inspired pieces that blur the line between functional decor and fine art, each one a unique testament to the boundless creativity and skilled craftsmanship of their makers. From delicately carved pallet wall hangings that seem to dance with the play of light and shadow, to visually striking pallet-based light fixtures that cast mesmerizing patterns across the room, the possibilities for artistic exploration within this realm are truly limitless. As we look to the future, it's clear that the appeal of unique wooden pallet furniture and decor will only continue to grow, driven by the ongoing commitment to sustainability, the desire for one-of-a-kind, handcrafted pieces, and the endless wellspring of creative inspiration that the humble pallet continues to provide. Whether you're a seasoned design aficionado or a passionate DIY enthusiast, the world of pallet-based home furnishings and accents is certain to captivate and inspire, offering a truly unique and enriching way to transform your living spaces. Thanks for watching.